How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Blake Check. As you guys know, most of my videos are super upbeat and have really good energy. They're always happy and cheerful. Unfortunately, today is not going to be that type of video, and I hate to have to make this type of video, but life happens. Today is December 30th, 2022, and 2022 decided to throw one more gut punch at me before the end. I'm gonna come in here. As you guys know, this is my dream car, my 2018 Tesla Model 3 Performance Stealth Edition. You guys know that I'm crazy about keeping my car spotless and clean, but my wife and I walked into this bar over here just to have a bite to eat and grab a drink, and we weren't inside for more than like 5 minutes when I got an alert on my phone from my Tesla that said that the Sentry Mode alarm had been triggered. So I walked outside thinking that maybe somebody opened my car door by mistake. There was actually another blue Tesla parked next to me. As you guys know, we like to try to park next to each other. So I parked next to it, thinking that I was safe parking in this parking lot. We've parked here many times before with no issues, but unfortunately, yeah, as you guys can see, I'll show you guys a better footage of it, but somebody pulled out of their parking spot and scraped the back of my car. So I actually went ahead and called the police. They're pulling up right now. We're gonna go ahead and file a police report. I'm gonna show you guys some images of the license plate. It's definitely an Arizona plate. I know the first 3 characters, but not really anything else. I know that it's a white Mercedes, it's an Arizona plate, and I know the first 3 characters on it. So I'll show you guys that footage. Doubt that you guys will be able to help me, but I just wanted to fill you guys in on what's going on. Hopefully this gets fixed. Luckily, nobody was hurt. It's parked in the parking lot, so there was nobody even remotely close to the car except for the people that hit me. But yeah, it happens, I guess. Luckily, the insurance is going to take care of it, I'm sure, but hopefully we can find these guys. I'm going to show you guys those images again, a close-up of these guys' faces and a close-up of their license plate, so maybe you guys can help me find them so that their insurance takes a hit on it instead of mine, because you know, I have insurance. It's great that this is going to get fixed no matter what, but yeah, I would really hate to have to take a hit on my insurance for something that had nothing to do with me. So anyways, that's really all I've got for you guys in this video. It would really help me out if you guys subscribe to the channel, liked this video. Hopefully you guys can drum up some traffic for me so that somebody might recognize that license plate, recognize those faces, so that we can find out who did this. But anyways, that's all I have for you for tonight. Thanks for watching. This has been Blake Check, and that's a wrap.
All right, so update. After I finished that video that you guys just watched yesterday, I spent a little more time with the Phoenix police. I reviewed the footage caught by my Tesla's dash cam closely. I can't tell you how many times I watched the footage of that white Mercedes hitting my car. It's a little brighter now. You guys can see how it looks here. So it's not the end of the world. I don't even think the sensor's damaged. I drove it home with no issues, so my car's is fully functional. But obviously there's some paint damage here that's gonna need to be fixed, and it looks like the bumper is kind of dented in some areas. But we're gonna get that fixed, so that's not the problem. We do still need to locate this guy. So after I reviewed that footage, we were able to get the actual plate number from that Mercedes combined with the make and model of the car. We were actually able to track down the name of the owner. So the police have that information. I've already sent them all of my dash cam footage. So fingers crossed, we're hoping that we have a quick resolution to this unfortunate incident that happened last night. So I wanted to give you guys that information. I'll continue to give you as many updates as possible. Being that it's the new year, I don't expect this to be resolved very quickly within the next day or so. I'm expecting maybe by the end of the week to have more information for you. So stay tuned until then. Hopefully after that, it'll be back to the normal happy content. But thanks for watching this far into the video. Again, it would help me so much if you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date and to help build just some attention to this. Hopefully, maybe the person that hit my car sees this, knows that I'm just like a genuine dude that likes his car, just like he probably likes his car. He wouldn't want something like this to happen to him. So hopefully he does the right thing. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys for today. Have a happy and safe new year. If you're a Tesla owner like me, be sure to leave Sentry Mode on so that if something like this happens to you, you're protected too. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Blake Check, and that's a wrap.